Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lazy Learners, and in this video I'm going to teach you about the Python basics. So the first thing we're going to learn about is what is Python print statement, what is indentation, and what are the keywords. Okay, so we'll begin with Python print statement. So print statement क्यों यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग? Like अगर मैं ऐसे लिखूं print double quotes hi, so what does it give? It gives the output as hi. So basically print statements used to give the outputs. Okay, अगर हम लोग डबल कोट्स के अंदर कुछ भी लिखे तो वो हम लोग को डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा एज इट इज. Suppose we write like print. Okay, print hi, I am Faizan exclamation. So what does it gives? It gives the same thing as I wrote in double quotes. So basically print statements gives you the result. Okay, it displays the output. So this is the work of the print statement. Now, like there are lots and lots of things that we need to write in considering to take into consideration while writing a Python code. The first thing is like indentation. So what is indentation? Suppose uh, if like this is the code. Okay, if any number like 2 is greater than 0, and then we'll write okay, so yeah, print good. Okay, so this is our example. So what does it gives? It gives an error. Why does it gives an error? There's an indentation error, as you can see here. Expected an indented block if statement on line 1. So what is it? Basically means that uh, like if we write the code like this, if 2 is greater than 0. Okay, so I just wrote earlier, what I did is like I wrote the code just below if. Okay, I wrote the print statement just below if. Now what I'm doing is like I am writing the print statement inside if. Okay, print good. So what does it gives now? It gives good. So what basically indentation means is like we are telling the Python interpreter that the group of statement belongs to this particular code. Okay, like if earlier we used if 2 is greater than 0, then print good. So the interpreter is like confused, like why print statement is outside the if condition, so it is basically giving the error. But if we wrote like if uh, 2 is greater than 0 and print is written inside if, that means this particular print statement belongs to this if code. So we have learned about indentation, and now we are heading towards keywords. So what keywords are? Keywords are the special reserve words. What does it mean? It means that we cannot use them as names for other variables or functions. Okay, like keywords जो दिया जाते हैं, जो जितने आपको दिख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पे, उन्हें हम एज अ वेरिएबल या फंक्शंस की तरह बिल्कुल यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. ओके, लाइक इफ एल्स, फॉल्स ट्रू, नन, लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स जैसे एंड और नॉट, तो ये सब कीवर्ड्स होते हैं. इन्हें हम बिल्कुल भी वेरिएबल्स की तरह यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. ओके, so this is the basic idea of all Python fundamentals, and then we'll head towards learning about the variables and functions. Okay, together all together with we'll be learning about looping statements also, and nested loops, as well as statements, conditional statements. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, take care. Bye bye.